The segment joining C to A passes through the unit circle at R. The measure of the arc T from 1, 0 terminating at R is 2 pi over 3. Identify the false statement. All right, so the first thing I always do is find the corresponding point in the first quadrant. So here we have pi, this is 0, so from 0 over to pi is 180 degrees. This point is at 2 pi over 3, so 2/3 of pi. So the corresponding point over here is going to be at 1/3 pi, or pi over 3, which is 60 degrees. The sine, then, is going to be the sine of 60 degrees, which is the square root of 3 over 2. And the cosine is going to be 1/2. So let's see what we have here. Sine of 2 pi over 3 times cosecant of 2 pi over 3 equals 1. Well, that's true for any value of t here, because this is an identity. They cancel each other out. So they're reciprocals of each other, so this is true. Sine squared equals 3 over 4. So we figured out that the sine was the square root of 3 over 2. So if we square that, that is 3 over 4. So this is also true. Cosine squared, well, the cosine of 60 degrees over here, which over here would be negative. This is positive 1/2 for the cosine, and this would be negative 1/2. But squared, it doesn't matter because it'll become positive. Negative 1/2 squared is 1/4. This is true. And then cosecant squared. Well, cosecant is the reciprocal of sine, and sine is the square root of 3 over 2. So the reciprocal will be 2 over the square root of 3. We don't like when there are radicals in the denominator, so we will multiply top and bottom by the square root of 3. So the cosecant of 2 pi over 3 is 2 times the square root of 3 over 3. But then if we square that, that becomes 4 times 3 over 9, which is 12 over 9, which is not 4. So the answer is D.